Okay, guys, let's start talking a little bit about net force. Now, what net force is basically the net means that we are looking at the difference between the forces. Okay, when we know when something is, we have an object and we know that all the arrows are the exact same length, we can say that the object is in equilibrium. Okay, that all the forces are equal each other. And there's two things that could possibly be happening when an object's at equilibrium. A, the object is standing still, or B, we can say that the object's moving at a constant velocity. Because when it's moving at a constant velocity, we know that there's no acceleration, so there's no force which is causing the acceleration. So we can say that it's at equilibrium. So if we have a free body diagram that looks like this, we can say it's either at rest or it's moving at a constant velocity. But when we have a free body diagram where we see we have a greater force applied, okay, so our applied force is greater than our frictional force, what we can say here is that there's going to be a net force. And the basic simple thing that we can say about net force is it's just subtraction from it. So I know that if my force applied is 50 newtons and I know that my force due to friction is 40 newtons, well, to find the net force, all I'm going to do is just subtract those. So it has a difference of 10 newtons. And remember, when we're dealing in physics, positive and negatives, they mean direction. So in this case, this would be a positive 10 newtons of a net force.